your hair. Look at that. Green, purple. Green, purple. Oh my gosh. Look whose arm is making something to eat. I'm sure my wife's cooking first. Let's see if it's any good. Oh my god. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. Look whose arm is making something to eat to help with our dinner. Yay, Mama! She's making one of her, while I make the ribs and the palasami for the umu, she's making one of her favorite dishes, which is onion, bisupo, and spaghetti. You knew that you were trouble when you walked in. So for all of those that believe I chain my wife up and don't let her cook, if she wants to help with something, I'll let her help once in a while. So she's chopping up the onion. That unfortunately, she's used a pretty dull knife, but that's okay. She can still cut them up. And then we'll add the bisupo. Mama just crumbling up the onions. She's very silent. I don't know why she's not talking. Oh, she's giggling. No. She's not used to being filmed cooking. Or she's actually not used to cooking in a while either. Maybe she'll make me something special for Father's Day. Ooh, I can't wait to see what she makes. She's laughing like I don't plan on anything. And then, spaghetti! We use Campbell's. That's pretty much the most popular brand in the U.S., so. And Mommy's not a big salt person, so just a little bit of that.
That's it.
What about your spaghetti? You gonna add that last?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. So while Aseka goes, finishes up her food, I am outside checking on the umu. The wood's burning down. I want to make sure that I'm spreading the heat equally. So in our little baby umu, oh, it's hot. I'm so stupid. It's like burning hairs off my hand. I should have put the gloves on. See? Oh, there we go. Ow. I should have kept my glove on or used a stick. Too hot still. A little foggy there, sorry. That's probably enough. Well, let's add the eggs. Well, before I mush it any further, let's add a little salt and pepper. Oh, let me get that. A little salt, of course, no sodium salt we use. I had a high sodium back in the day, so my doctor said I shouldn't keep eating so much salt before I had a heart attack, so I use no sodium salt. I would use a potato smasher, but my acapella, who likes potato salad, and my wife and myself, we like it rather chunky. Silhouette is still not at the point where she will eat this, so that's okay. It means more potato salad for us for now. I'm sure when she gets older, she will enjoy it too. So the umu's almost done cooking the ribs and the palasami. I want to show you what we found at Walmart today. They had Doritos roulette, the Cool Ranch flavor. It says maybe hot, maybe not. So I think some are hot and some are not. And this is a regular Doritos, maybe hot, maybe not. Nacho cheese flavor. My daughters are going to do this after the video, after our dinner, so stay tuned. And now let's watch my wife actually make her side dish that she loves with Samoan food.
Gotta turn on the heat.
You gonna turn
That
on
would
the
be
heat?
great, wouldn't it?
Maybe turning on the heat would be great. You know, comment below. Would turning on the heat to cook this be great? It might help caramelize the onions a little bit.
Silly.
As you can tell, my wife does not do this every day. Don't pressure her. She's doing her best, okay? Stop it. My wife is a good sport. She lets me make fun of her and she don't punch me most of the time. Most of the time she does, actually. Don't tell nobody. Go ahead, sing us a song while you cook, honey. I like to do that. Let's hear what your vocal range is. What's that? I can't hear you. So the onions and the bisupo are getting warmed. Who knows? The drama, the excitement. When will the spaghetti be added? Oh my gosh, I'm chewing my nails wondering, when will she add it? Now? Later? A minute from now? I don't know. Let's all find out.
Well, now I can go ahead and add a spaghetti. Spaghetti.
Wow, she has like a chef's way of emptying the can. The old shake, 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 shake. She obviously has some experience doing that. Oh, sorry, children. Oh, my wife just turned it down a little bit to just below medium heat. It does look good, I will admit. I think I said this in a video before, is what the heck is the name for this? My wife cannot remember. Can you remember?
No.
Let me look on your eyeball and see if you're lying. Open your eye.
Spaghetti.
My wife's pushing me. You can't tell that. Oh, can I see your eyeball?
No.
Why not? Can I see your tattoo? Oh, look, Silhouette's name. Silhouette. Aw. Then she's got the Japanese cherry blossom. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, honey. Pretty cool. Don't. That looks good. That looks done, sweetie. Good job. Good job, honey.
Thank you.
I love you.
Love you.
Okay, we've only got like 30 seconds left or our umu time is done. 3 hours is upon us. Oh my gosh, it is almost 6 o'clock at night. We usually eat much earlier than this on the weekends, but I got a late start today, so let's go check out the umu and see if everything looks good. Okay, here we go. Let's get this umu unwrapped. Ooh, well, that's hot. Hopefully it tastes really good. Let me get it inside. All right, I brought it all in. Here's the ribs. Ooh, let's see. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, that looks delicious. Look at the juice on there. Today I'm gonna mix it up and actually do my plate first. Doesn't mean I'll eat first, obviously, but I'm gonna do my plate. There's that. Ooh, ooh, ow. It's hot. Oh my gosh, they feel so tender. They almost, ow, fell off the bone. Ow, it's hot. There's that. Let's try my, let's bring my palusami over here. And oh my goodness, you know that's gonna be delicious. All right, let's get started. Let's get the family here and eat. All right, there's my plate. I've got my ribs, my potato salad, my whatever you call this. My wife don't even remember. And my palusami. Oh, let's get eating. Wait for your eye. Yes, I sure am. And I'm sure you are too.
Yoy.
Are you hungry? Yoy. What do you want, baby?
My sauce.
What? Oh, barbecue sauce? Sure, where is... Oh, here you go. Using honey barbecue from Sweet Baby Ray's. You good, honey?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I need to pick up that.
We set our grace already. Pop-tarty soup. And now we're going to eat. I forgot to add my... Let me try my wife's cooking first. Let's see if it's any good.
What are you doing?
Oh my god! It's delicious. It's actually good. Sorry, honey. She only cooks once a millennia.
Yeah.
So, what?
Yeah.
Oh, acapella with the slam saying, yeah. Let's try the pausami. Oh my gosh. You know how I feel about pausami.
Me too.
Oh my gosh.
So.
Thank you so much. I feel blessed every time we eat taro leaf and onion and coconut cream. It is so good. I used to think like, oh, I hope my kids someday will like it. But a little bit of me that's selfish, don't want them to like it. That way I can have it all to myself. Well, she likes it too, but I love it.
Pella, you look like Hulk. Okay.
Oh, yeah, Pella got her hair done today. Acapella. We call her Pella sometimes for short. She got green and purple this time. It looks really cool. You see it when she tries her hot or not Doritos. Do they have these in Samoa, Australia, or New Zealand? Let me know. My wife's pretty quiet. That's usually a good sign. Eating. Mmm. Oh, I haven't even tried a rib yet. Let's try this umu rib. Oh my gosh. I couldn't even pick it up. It fell. Oh my gosh. That is like cotton candy meat. It falls right out of your hand. Oh my god. Look, the bone, I can see it. I'm eating like a Samoan. Yee-hoo! Look, I'm doing it, honey. I will beat her in the next rib challenge because I'm going to cook it in the umu. I'm going to go and eat it. I know I can beat her. That is really good. That's so weird. I cook it not on the direct heat in the barbecue, but this is so soft and tender. Oh my god. Mystery of life, I have found you. Go. Silhouette wants to laugh, but she's keeping quiet. Silhouette, come in. So Acapella ate her 3 ribs super fast. I'm trying to get Silhouette in now in the action. Oh, my camera looks sideways. Let me look. Hold on. I know it's tilted. Hold on. There we go. Let's see our little baby girl. Are you excited to eat the Dorito challenge? Are you scared that it's going to be all hot ones?
No.
Oh my god. Do you like the ribs any differently or not? Mine, like, look at this. Look, they fall right off the bone.
I'm actually not a fan of how soft they are.
She's not a fan of how soft they are. She likes her ribs hard and crunchy.
Yeah, there's no like when you make the big one, there's no like extra skin on the bottom.
Oh, got it. Well, everyone likes what they like, sweetie. It's okay. You don't have to like it. I won't punish you much.
I'll eat those though.
You what? Well, eat your rice at least, huh?
What sauce did you use on the bottom? Is that like oil?
From what?
What's this stuff?
That's just leaking soy sauce juice from the ribs.
Oh, soy sauce? Okay.
You're the pickiest eater ever. One down. I think 3 to go, 2 to go. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Watch this. Oh, look at that. See it dripping right on my table? Oh my god, it's so good. So yummy.
It's very soft.
Mm-hmm. And this is how I will learn to eat like a Samoan. By slow cooking it in the umu. I will beat my wife someday. I promise. Mmm.
Dillo. Granny Palace plate.
Oh. Come here, plate. Pella didn't eat a lot of her, what do you call this stuff? Potato salad. Mommy wants some more. So Wes doing great. And me, you know me, I could eat balsamic all day. Mmm.
Dad, there's a like a warning sign saying some chips may be hot.
Right, some chips may be hot. I can't wait to see you enjoy it.
I want to get Pella over here so we can try it.
We will when I'm done eating and Mommy's done eating. If you try to interrupt our meal because we haven't ate as fast as you, that's kind of what we call, let me think, what do they call that? Rude. So please don't do that. You can leave the table if you're done. And then I'll call you when it's time to do the challenge.
No,
all right?
Not mine. There.
Oh. Okay. So I want to be our cameraman for a couple seconds. What'd you say, sweetie?
I'm full.
Oh, Mommy's full. She ate 4 ribs, almost 2 piles of potato salad. I'm still working on my balsamic. I'm kind of ignoring the rib because I love balsamic so much, but this is really good ribs. There's an end tip. Oh my gosh. It just falls off. Someone's just laughing at me. I'm saying, where have Umu's been all my life? Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. You saw me and my wife's rib challenge? Who's gonna win next? I'll tell you who. This guy! Woohoo! It's so good. So my wife's cleaning up the table. I'm finishing up. I have one last large balsamic that I will eat tonight. It's Saturday. I'm gonna eat that tonight by the fireplace, by the fire pit. It's weird. Why wasn't I born in Tutuila or Savai'i? I love this food so much. What the heck? Gosh darn it, it's so good. So I'm almost done. I'm sure all of you are so bored and tired of me enjoying my food. But I can't help it. Oh my god. Look at that. Look. Oh my god, I didn't put my finger on it, it pulled right off. Oh my god. Oh. Did I die and go to heaven? I just might have. I am old enough. Oh my god. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I've got a love in my tummy. It's so good. Thank you so much for joining us. Many alofas to all of you that watch. I'm telling you, it literally chokes me up. It literally chokes me up, like I said, when I think about even 10 people watching the channel. You just don't know. I think a lot of people go into YouTube and they have a lot of optimism, like they're going to do great. my outlook was pessimism, ultimate failure. The good thing is, though, I was still going to do it because these will be memories for me and my wife and my darling daughter. But to have people that actually watch me eat or cook for my wife or my kids, I'm just blown away. I know I love doing that, watching other people, but I've always felt inadequate and not special, and I hate to be a crybaby. I mean, I've been to combat and a soldier for over 20 years in my life when I was younger, and still stuff like this just breaks my heart. It makes me feel so much love. Papa Yesu so much, everyone. I love each and every one of you. And I'm going to bring my wife, excuse me, I got burps. Bring my wife over so we can say goodbye. Hey, Silhouette in there. Cameraman, you can come move the camera. Let's see how good you are. Not so close. Get my good side. Hold on. Can you do the wind thing for me so you can see my hair flowing? Oh, I dropped my glasses. Back, not so close. Silhouette, you silly. All right. Oh, Mommy. Mommy looks like a Terminator. So, I love all of you. Thank you so much for watching. We love you so much. And I'm not kidding. I literally think about this every night. I am like obsessed with thinking about the people that watch our channel and watching other PolyTube's channel. What's Mommy have to say?
Thank you everyone for watching. And I hope everyone had a good, a great weekend. And if everyone's going to church tomorrow,
Here, I can meat.
Oh, no thank you.
No, bet. It's right here.
No thank you.
What? You want my meat?
No.
You don't want my meat? It's the first time. Go. Say what you want to say. Say what you want to say. No, look. Let me let.
Oh.
Can I rub it on your lips?
No thank you.
How about just the tip of the meat?
No thank you.
Well, she don't want any of it. What the heck? All right.
Oh.
All right, everybody. Love you so much. Not so close. We'll see you next time. Our next video will come out in a few days. Until next time.
Peace.
And
Bye.
Fa and Tofa, Sefua and peace. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right, both girls have got. Oh, can we see your hair? Look at that green, purple, green, purple. She is the modern day Harlequin. So they're gonna open it, but not look. You're gonna grab in the bag and grab one randomly without looking which one you grab. Go ahead. Go. Okay. So what's gonna try first? Is it hot or not? Don't look at it. Just eat it.
Do you want me to say if it's hot or not?
Yeah. After you're done, we can tell by your face. What happened to sticking it all in your mouth? Mommy's laughing. Hot or not?
Hot.
Yes, not, or you would act all freaked out.
It is.
Okay, no drink. Hella, hot or not? You okay?
Yeah.
You gonna live? You want some milk?
Yeah.
Mommy, don't get her any milk. She wants some, so let's not give it to her. Hot or not?
I think it's supposed to be hot.
Okay, try one more, Silhouette. You get a good cheesy one, and it won't be hot. Doritos roulette. You can do it. Go. That one's just normal cheese, right?
Hot again.
Are you sure it's not gonna spin your head?
You're having a bad luck, man.
What do you think, Acapella?
Ma!
What?
I want a drink, please.
How do you say please in Samoan? You can have one. Don't tell her, don't tell her.
Wait, what?
What? How do you say please in Samoan?
Start with an F.
Can you tell?
No,
You can tell her. Go ahead.
I don't know.
It starts with a fa'a.
Fa'a lima.
Fa'a lima. I don't know what that means, but hey, Samoan out there, please translate.
Fa'a.
What'd you say? What'd you say? Say it again.
No.
What did you say?
Whisper it in her ear then so she can stop suffering.
Fa'a muli muli.
Yay! Chee-hoo! Mommy, get her a drink! Alright, you guys want to say goodbye? Until next time.
Fa.
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 There's no tofa sefuas here? Just fa like mom? Good job. That's a nice way to say it. How about you?
Oh.
Oh, Bella's supposed to be the badass girl. She's like, I'll say it whatever way I want to. I didn't curse. I said acapella.
No.
That's only a curse words in 5 countries.
You said the bad.
I didn't.
But-
Stop lying.
No.
Stop lying. Okay, everyone, we love you. Peace.
Well,
Do your peace symbol.
Do it.
Peace symbol. Oh, look at her fingers are purple from the dye. She's purple. Okay, bye everyone.
Bye.